Every journey starts with knowing what the signs around you mean. In this session, we're breaking down the 40 most essential UK road signs you need to recognize and understand. Whether you're preparing for your theory test or want to feel more confident while driving, we'll explain what each sign is telling you, why it's important, and how it helps you stay safe on the road. Like, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're ready for your next step. Ready to boost your sign knowledge? Let's get into it. Question 1. Which of the following shows the bay reserved for loading and unloading by goods vehicles 1 sign? The answer is B. Question 2. Can you identify the route for use by pedal cycles only sign from the options? The answer is A. Question 3. Which one represents the 100 yards to a roundabout or the next sign? The answer is B. Question 4. Which one corresponds to the vehicular traffic must turn left sign? The answer is A. Question 5. From the choices, which one indicates goods vehicles should get into the left? The answer is A. If you're 5 for 5 so far, give this video a like to celebrate your progress. Let's keep that momentum going as we dive into the next set of signs together. Question 6. Can you find the road works ahead sign? The answer is D. Question 7. Which option shows the bus tourists parking sign? The answer is B. Question 8. Which one represents the go sign? The answer is B. Question 9. Can you identify the junction ahead from a motorway exit slip road to the tourist attractions shown sign? The answer is C. Question 10. Which one depicts the 200 yards to a roundabout or the next point sign? The answer is D. Question 11. Which one shows the telephone at level crossing sign? The answer is B. Question 12. From the choices, which one represents the maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign? The answer is A. Want more practical road sign practice? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next session. Question 13. Can you identify the number of route reached from a motorway exit road sign? The answer is B. Question 14. Which one corresponds to the side wind sign? The answer is D. Question 15. From the options, which one shows the pedestrian sign? The answer is B. Question 16. Can you find the distance to public toilets and telephones sign? The answer is D. Question 17. Which one represents the maximum speed limit sign 30 miles per hour? The answer is A. Question 18. Which one shows the no explosive sign? The answer is B. Question 19. From the choices, which one indicates do not enter the traffic lane directly below? The answer is A. Question 20. Which one depicts the stop sign? The answer is B. Question 21. From the options, can you identify the CARS sign? The answer is C. Question 22. Which one shows the speed camera ahead sign? The answer is D. Question 23. Can you find the end of motorway sign? The answer is B. Question 24. Which one represents the a solid triangle emergency diversion route marker sign? The answer is A. Question 25. Which one depicts the end of minimum speed limit sign 40 miles per hour sign? The answer is D. If you know someone who's learning to drive or just wants to brush up on their road sign knowledge, share this video with them. It's a fun way to learn together and stay sharp for the roads. Question 26. Can you identify the more details level crossing without gate ahead sign? The answer is C. Question 27. Which one corresponds to the part-time traffic signals ahead sign? The answer is A. Question 28. From the choices, which one shows the vehicles may be parked wholly on the verge sign? The answer is C. Question 29. Can you identify the risk of grounding at level crossing ahead sign? The answer is A. Question 30. Which one represents the lane 2 and 3 closed ahead sign? The answer is B. Question 31. From the options, which one shows the red route clearway sign? The answer is A. Question 32. Can you find the 50 yards to junction ahead controlled by a give way sign? The answer is D. Question 33. Which one represents the worded warning sign? The answer is C. Question 34. From the choices, which one depicts the additional traffic lanes joining from the right ahead sign? The answer is A. Question 35. Can you identify the bay reserved for loading and unloading by goods vehicles 2 sign? The answer is C. Question 36. Which one represents the emergency exit sign? The answer is D. Question 37. From the options, which one shows the vehicular traffic must proceed in the direction sign? The answer is D. Question 38. Can you identify the traffic has priority over vehicles coming from the opposite direction sign? The answer is C. Question 39. Which one represents the docks sign? The answer is A. Question 40. Can you find the countdown marker to level crossing 2 sign? The answer is B. That's a wrap on our 40 most essential UK road signs guide. We hope you're feeling more confident in spotting these signs and understanding what they mean for your safety and awareness on the road. Which sign did you find the easiest to remember, and which one do you see most often where you drive? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this guide helpful, Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're ready for your next step in becoming a safer, smarter driver. Thanks for watching.